Good day mga kap, I'm Ace Peregrino and you're watching El Katipan Cigars 101. Must haves if you're traveling with your cigars. First is this beautiful Davidoff late hour suitcase. First, Winston Churchill's. Okay. As you can see, we have this cedar woods na lalagyan ng late hour or syempre kahit anong gusto nyong ilagay dyan. Meron tayong late hour Robusto Davidoff's doon, a booklet, and your ashtray. So this can protect your cigars. Hindi mo mararanasan na mabasagan ka ng cigar. Of course, you will also look good, fashion, and security. But if you can't afford this yet, by the way, this is available at El Katipan Cigar Shop. Check that out. If you cannot afford that, this will do. What we have here is a leather cigar case and a humidified Ziploc. Now, if you have this, please be careful because it can protect the humidity of your cigar, pero it can bend, right? Pwede siyang mabasag, pwede siyang mapitchet. So, if you can have this, of course, this is barya lang to kung nagsisigar ka naman, better have this because this can protect your cigar, right? So, this is a cigar case. It can hold up to 3 cigars. By the way, this can hold up to 5 to 6 cigars. Now, also may cedar wood to sa loob to control the humidity. Right. Siyempre, dapat may cigar ka rin. Number 1, travel with a cigar, you need to have cigars. Kailangan may lalagyan ka. Of course, you need to have a cutter. Then, you need to have a spare cutter. Para pag nawala, may cutter ka pa rin. You also need this, Boveda. Lalo na kung magta-travel ka for a week, you need Boveda. Boveda. This can control humidity also. Pwede mo yang ilagay dito sa case mo. Okay, let's open this. We make sure na naaalagaan natin yung cigar natin kahit na nagta-travel tayo. Actually, mas kailangan natin siyang alagaan pagkasama natin siya sa travel. Dahil naranasan ko na at ubod ng lungkot ko. Last time I went to Bacolod at pagbukas ko ng bag ko, basag yung cigar ko. Basag yung wrapper. Imagine that feeling na excited ka na gagamitin mo na siya, then may damage pala siya bigla dahil lang wala kang ganito. Right? So you need this, and of course you need a lighter. This is a triple burn, kung ano man yung tawag dyan, and a spare lighter para kung mawala mo man yung isa, you still have one. Okay? Recap. Kailangan mo ng lalagyan. Kailangan mo ng Boveda. Kailangan mo ng cutters. And kailangan mo ng lighter. To make sure na safe ang cigar mo at you will have a very wonderful time at the beach, at the hotel, at the rooftop, kung nasaan ka man pupunta, you have a good cigar, secured yung cigar mo, and you can enjoy it. Or, you can just have this and wala ka nang aalalahanin. So that is must-haves if you're traveling with a cigar. See you again, guys.